In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record expenses in ERPNext using a payment entry, which is the most common and recommended method. First, log into your ERPNext account and go to the Accounts module. From there, open Payment Entry and click Add New Entry. Set the payment type to Pay because you are paying money out. The naming series will be selected automatically. Then choose the posting date. Next, select the mode of payment, such as cash or bank. Under Party Type, select Supplier or Employee depending on who you paid. Then choose the party, and the party name will be filled automatically. Now, in the Accounts section, select the Paid From account, which is usually your bank or cash account. In the Paid To section, choose the appropriate expense account, such as office expenses, travel expenses, or utility expenses. Enter the paid amount and review the details. If there are any taxes or charges, you can add them in the Taxes and Charges section. Once everything looks correct, click Save and then Submit. ERPNext will automatically record the expense and update your financial accounts. That's it. You've successfully recorded an expense in ERPNext. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more ERPNext tutorials.